Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I am going to do another word problem. This is taken from the June 2023 Regents exam. All right. Just like I've done in the other videos, you have to figure out, is the system a linear? Is it going to be standard form or is it going to be slope-intercept form? Once you know that, then you just go to work. All right, so here, let's read it. It says Dana went shopping for plants to put in her garden. She bought 3 roses, 2 daisies, cost her $31.88. She went back later that day and she bought 2 more roses and 1 more daisy, and that cost her $18.92. If R represents the cost of 1 rose and D represents the cost of 1 daisy, they want us to write a system of equation. Now, nowhere in there did they give us a slope. They didn't. They didn't give a slope. There is no per this or anything like this. This is definitely a standard form. So just like I said in the other videos where we had standard form, rose stands for R. R stands for rose, and D stands for daisy. So wherever you see those words, you're going to replace them with the letters. 3R, 2D, 3188, and 2R and 1D is 1892. So let's write those two. First one is 3R plus 2D equals 31.88. The second one is 2R plus 1D equals 1892. Right. Excuse me. That's done. Pretty simple, not complicated. Now, we're not going to do it algebraically because I want to do this as efficiently as possible. And we got a graphing calculator, so let's use it. It's going to cost us 1 point, but I'm okay with that. So we're going to go and we're going to graph. We're going to graph it as a relation because it's not in function notation form. So I press tab, delete the equal sign, go to relation, and then I just enter it. Now, roses, you can only graph the letters X and Y. I haven't said that. I've just assumed that you guys have watched my videos and understand that, but I'm going to state it. You can only graph X's and Y's. So we're going to say roses are X's, so there's going to be 3X. And then daisies are Y, so it's going to be plus 2Y equals how much? $31.88. Press enter. Boom. There's the line. I'm going to pull the graph paper down so we can see it a little better. And then I'm going to put in the second equation. It's going to be 2X plus 1Y equals how much? 1892, 18.92 cents. Now, if we get decimals, that just means that's what the cost is. Sometimes students, when y'all get decimals, y'all freak out like, ooh, I got a decimal. Not everything in life is integers or whole numbers. There's decimals, there's fractions. All right, menu 64. Start over here on the left and then go to the right. Boom. So that's it. We got the roses cost $5.96. So now that I know this, let me go pull up and I'm gonna move this over. So the roses cost $5.96, and the daisies cost $7 a piece. All right, boom. Now, even though we didn't do this algebraically, those are the correct answers. So we get 1 point for that. Now let's look at this last part here. What does it say? It says if Dana had waited until the plants were on sale, she would have paid $4.50 for each rose and $6 for each daisy. Determine the total amount of money she would have saved by buying all her flowers during the sale. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take these new prices. So the prices on sale, the roses are $4.50 and the daisies are $6.50. Now, we're just going to multiply this by the total number of roses that she had, the total number of daisies that she had. That's going to be the total price. So let's go over here. So she had 5 roses and she had 3 daisies. So let's go over here and do our thing. So this is going to be 5 roses and this is 3 daisies. So 5 times this. So let's just use the calculator. I always encourage you guys, use the calculator, avoid careless mistakes. So 450, price of the discounted roses times 5 is $22.50. And then the discounted, the sale price for Daisies times 3 is $19.50. So we're just gonna add these two together. So 22.5, let's see how much money we would have saved. That's $42. So if I bring this up, so this is $22.50. This is $19.50. If we add them together, it's gonna be $42. Now, so we would have spent $42. How much did we spend over here? Well, just take these two numbers and add them together. This is gonna be 0, this will be 9, so that'll be 18, carry 1. This will be 0, this will be 1. So we spent $50.80 when it wasn't on sale. We spent $42, so that means we would just subtract. It'll be $50.80 minus 42. That's how much we saved. That's our savings. All right, so let's see. Let's just do that. $50.80 minus the 42. And that is $8.80. That's how much we saved. That's worth it. All right. Nothing else special about this. We all know what sales prices mean. That means you're saving money. They just wanted to know how much you're saving. So you just say, if I had bought it on sales price, this is what I would have paid, but this is what I actually paid. The difference is what you save. All right, I'm gonna stop and post. Remember, don't just watch. You have to do it with me. All right, I'm posting. Bye.